Hello everyone, welcome back. If you are new here, I am Srinidhi V Prabhu, first year medical student in Bangalore Medical College and Research Institute. In this video, I will be giving you all 7 fundamental tips to perform well in competitive exams. If you are preparing for NEET, KVPY, JEE Main, Karnataka CET or any other competitive exams, watch this video till the end because at the end you will have great impact on your preparation strategy and your way to prepare for competitive exams. First tip, be consistent throughout your preparation. Remember, preparing for competitive exam is not a sprint, it is a marathon. You cannot run fast in the beginning of the marathon and become exhausted in the middle of it. You have to be consistent throughout the race. And preparing for competitive exam is not a one-day job. You have to follow it each and every day. Consistency is the key for success in competitive exams. What you can do to avoid this is start your preparation by taking small steps. Start your preparation by reading for 2 to 3 hours a day and then constantly keep on increasing those timing. Don't take don't take a huge step. Start from small step and then gradually increase those steps. If you want to succeed in any competitive exams, you have to be consistent towards that competitive exams. So that was my first tip, to be consistent with your preparation. Tip number 2, work smarter, not only harder. I have seen so many students who work very hard but fail to realize that working hard is not enough to get good marks in competitive exams. They fail to realize that they have to work smarter too. Then, how to work smart? If you're if you are struggling with a concept and if you're feeling that concept is difficult to understand, don't just by heart it. You can understand that concept by making flowcharts, mnemonics, flashcards, or make up a own story to understand that concept. By using all these methods, you can understand that concept better and you won't forget it very easily. That was my tip number 2, to work smart along with working hard. Tip number 3 is stick with one book for a subject. I think most of the students have problem deciding which book to read and which book to refer. They take up many so-called popular books and end up reading none of them properly. That's how most of the students are wasting their valuable time during their preparation. Please don't make this mistake. If you have selected one book for a subject, stick with that book throughout your preparation. Go through each and every concept, each and every problem from that book and be thorough with that book. Don't try to compare one book with another. Each and every book will have its own way of giving you information. So if you feel one book is good for you, select that and stick with it. But you can also use other books to refer, but stick with the main book which you have selected for that subject. That was my third tip, stick with one book for a subject. Tip number 4 is make concise notes and mark important or difficult questions. I know making notes will take a lot of time while reading a chapter, but it will help you a lot while you are revising that chapter. And remember, while making notes, you are not writing another textbook for that chapter. So be aware that you have to make notes concise and simple. Don't make it another textbook which require 2 to 3 hours to go through that. Make it concise and simple so that you can come back to the chapter and revise it faster. And one more thing while reading is you have to mark questions which you feel are important or are difficult for you to solve. so that you can come back to them when you are revising the chapter and solve them. At the end, when you have only few months left, you cannot solve a complete question bank. So if you mark your questions which are important or difficult, you can easily come back to them and solve the problems and make your concept better, stronger. That was my tip number 4. Make concise notes and mark important or difficult questions. Fifth tip is to revise frequently. Even after reading all the chapters and understanding all the concepts, if you don't revise frequently, you won't remember most of the things that you have read. So, revision is the main key to remembering things. Please revise frequently. Let's say you have read chapter 1 today and come back to that chapter after 1 week or 2 weeks. As you would have made notes, it won't take much of your time to revise. That was my tip number 5. Revise frequently. Don't wait to enjoy till you finish all the competitive exams. Try to enjoy the preparation for competitive exam itself. Believe me, enjoying the process of preparing for competitive exam can make a lot of difference in your preparation and your result. Let's say you have solved a complex problem. Take a moment and enjoy that joy of solving that complex problem. Or if you have got good marks in a mock test, take a moment and enjoy that moment. Take a moment and feel that moment. Enjoy it. Don't wait till the end to enjoy. Enjoy each and every moment. That's what life is about, right? Don't be a machine. Enjoy each and every moment. The last and bonus tip for you all. Have belief in yourself and try to give your best each and every day. I really can't emphasize enough on importance of self-belief, self-confidence and self-motivation. I think these three qualities has made me clear all those competitive exams without any coaching. You cannot watch motivational video each and every day if you are feeling low. You have to be self-motivated. You have to be self-motivated to succeed in this journey. Don't wait for someone to tell you that you can do it. Have belief in yourself, be self-confident, be self-motivated, and believe that you can do it. Hope you all will take all these tips and prepare efficiently for your competitive exams. Hope this video has helped you. If it did, please like, share and subscribe. If you want me to do even more videos like this, keep supporting me and keep sharing this video and help me reach to the students out there who are in need for these videos. I will see you all in my next video. Till then, keep learning, keep practicing.